Welcome to my channel, Wealth Ledger.
Investing can be one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and secure your future. But here's the truth, while smart investing can grow your money over time, making the wrong moves can set you back years or even decades. That's why today, we're diving into the 7 biggest investing mistakes that beginners and even experienced investors make, and how you can avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming a smarter, more confident investor. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, not having a clear plan. The first mistake is jumping into investing without a solid plan. A lot of beginners hear about stocks, crypto, or real estate and think, I need to put my money in right now before I miss out. But if you don't know why you are investing, how long you are investing for, and what goals you are trying to achieve, you're basically gambling. Smart investing starts with clarity. Are you investing for retirement in 30 years? Are you saving for a down payment in 5 years? Or do you just want to build wealth over time? Each of those goals requires a completely different strategy. For example, retirement investing might mean putting money into index funds and letting compounding work its magic, while short-term goals might be better suited for safer investments like bonds or high-yield savings accounts. So, before you buy anything, sit down and write out your plan. Define your timeline, your goals, and your risk tolerance. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Mistake number 2, timing the market. The second mistake is trying to time the market. This one traps even seasoned investors. The idea that you can predict the perfect time to buy low and sell high sounds appealing, but in reality, it's nearly impossible. Not even the best professional investors can consistently time the market. What happens when you try? Usually, you end up buying when prices are high because of excitement and selling when they drop because of fear. That's a guaranteed way to lose money. Instead, focus on time in the market, not timing the market. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow. History shows that markets always rise in the long run, despite crashes, recessions, and corrections. So, a simple strategy like dollar cost averaging, where you invest a set amount consistently every month, beats trying to guess the perfect entry point. Mistake number 3, not diversifying. The third mistake is putting all your eggs in one basket. Maybe you've heard stories of someone making millions by investing in one hot stock or one cryptocurrency. But those stories are the exception, not the rule. If all your money is tied up in one company, one industry, or one type of asset, you are exposed to massive risk. What if that company fails? What if that industry crashes? Diversification is your safety net. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even alternative investments. Within stocks, diversify across sectors and countries. That way, if one investment struggles, others can balance it out. Think of diversification like insurance for your portfolio. It might not make you rich overnight, but it protects you from financial disaster. Mistake number 4, ignoring fees and expenses. The fourth mistake is underestimating the impact of fees. This one doesn't sound exciting, but it can literally cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Every mutual fund, ETF, or investment account comes with fees. Even a seemingly small difference, say 1%, can add up. For example, if you invest $100,000 over 30 years with a 7% annual return, that 1% fee could cost you more than $200,000 in lost growth. The lesson? Pay attention to fees. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs instead of expensive actively managed funds. Always read the fine print before you invest. Cutting down fees is one of the easiest ways to boost your long-term returns. Mistake number 5, following the crowd. The fifth mistake is investing based on hype or following the crowd. We've all seen it, when a certain stock or cryptocurrency is all over the news, social media, and group chats, and everyone is saying, this is the next big thing. That's usually a sign that the opportunity has already passed. Crowd-driven investing often leads to panic buying at the top and panic selling at the bottom. Instead of following the herd, stick to your plan. Do your own research. Ask yourself, does this investment fit with my goals? Is it worth the risk? If the answer is no, don't get caught up in the hype. Remember, Warren Buffett's famous advice, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Mistake number 6, not controlling emotions. The sixth mistake is letting emotions control your decisions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of investors. When the market crashes, fear makes you sell at the worst possible time. When the market is booming, greed makes you invest recklessly. The key is to stay disciplined. Expect that the market will go up and down, that's normal. Volatility is the price you pay for long-term growth. The worst thing you can do is abandon your plan every time there's a dip or chase quick gains every time there's a rally. One strategy that helps is automation. Set up automatic investments every month so you don't have to think about it. That way, your emotions can't get in the way of your decisions. Mistake number 7, not starting early enough. The final mistake, and maybe the biggest one, is waiting too long to start. So many people put off investing because they think they need a lot of money, or they'll start someday when they're more financially stable. The truth is, the earlier you start, the less you actually have to invest to build wealth. That's because of compound interest, the magic of your money earning returns on itself. For example, if you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, you could end up with over $500,000 by retirement. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'd only have around $250,000 with the same monthly contribution. The lesson here is simple, start today, even if it's small. Time is your greatest asset. Final thoughts. So, let's recap the 7 investing mistakes you must avoid. Not having a clear plan. Trying to time the market. Failing to diversify. Ignoring fees. Following the crowd. Letting emotions take over. Waiting too long to start. Avoiding these mistakes won't just save you money, it will help you build real, lasting wealth. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. It's about having a plan, staying disciplined, and letting time and compounding do the heavy lifting. So, if you're serious about your financial future, commit to avoiding these mistakes, stay consistent, and keep learning. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today.
Thanks for watching video. Please share with friends. Subscribe, bell icon, and share.